In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Forms language. If your Google Forms menus and messages aren't in your preferred language, the fix lives in your Google account settings, not inside an individual form. Once you update it, the change applies across Google services, including Forms, which makes creating and sharing surveys much smoother. Start in Google Forms, look to the top right corner of the page, and select your profile picture, or the circular icon showing your initial. This opens a small menu tied to the account you're currently using, which is important if you juggle multiple Google accounts. From that menu, choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens your Account Hub in a new tab. Think of it as the central place where Google stores your personal preferences, security options, and language settings. In the Account Hub, go to the Personal Info section. You'll see various details about your profile. Scroll to the area called General Preferences for the web. This is where Google keeps the language control that determines the interface language you see across products like Forms, Docs, and Drive. Open Language. Here you'll see your current default language. This setting controls labels, buttons, and system-generated text in Google products. Changing it won't rewrite the content you've already typed into a form, but it will update the surrounding interface and built-in prompts. To make a change, click the pencil icon next to your current language. That tells Google you want to edit your default. You'll get a search field where you can look up the language you prefer. Start typing the language name and choose from the suggestions that appear. You may see regional variants such as English, United States, English, United Kingdom, Portuguese, Brazil, or Portuguese, Portugal. Pick the exact variant that matches how you want dates, numbers, and spellings to appear. This small choice can affect formatting, so it's worth selecting the one you actually use. After you've selected the language, click Save. Google will apply your choice to your account. Give it a moment, then switch back to your Google Forms tab and refresh the page. The interface, things like menus, buttons, and default messages, should now display in your new language. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick reload or closing and reopening the tab usually does the trick. That's it. You've changed the language for Google Forms by updating your Google account preference. Remember, you can return to the same place anytime to switch languages again, or to refine the regional variant if you need different formatting.